So we always get a lot of questions about how we do these trips, and a big part of it is that we find really economic places to stay. And this one is a gem. So it's right above a store, as you can see. This morning, I should have done this when it was a nicer day. A little bit cloudy and cool this morning. But this one is a second-story apartment over a store. It has a little bit of everything called Under the Sun, including a cafe. And you can see there's a water view. It's not the kind of water you can necessarily get into, but we've enjoyed seeing it. There's a little dock where you can walk out to, or a jetty you can walk out to. Right next door to some neighbors. Little outdoor seating area. I definitely enjoyed this space. Hello, Dan. And then it's a nice little sitting area. Dan and I spent our mornings here drinking coffee. We had arts and crafts going on, which was Dan's making. A little kitchen that was fine for everything I needed to do. We made sandwiches and grilled cheese and eggs. Plantains one night, fried grilled cheese. We didn't use this bedroom. It has a water view. See out here, and all the windows open for nice cool breezes. I think if we stay here again, when we stay here again, Jess, you'll probably get that room. Anna's room is here. We still have to wake her up. Hopefully she's already awake. This is where we stayed, a king size bed. Also, every room, although we didn't use it, every room has a TV hooked up to Netflix. And there are air conditioners, but it's really expensive to use electricity here. It's all in diesel, so we just deal with it. A bedroom with two doubles. And it's a little bit of a quirky arrangement down here, but it worked out really great for us. There's a bathroom with a toilet and sinks. Dan and I used this one. And then I think this probably originally was laundry, but now it's this shower. I really enjoyed the shower. There's like a little platform. You don't feel like you're getting the whole bathroom wet. And then there's a bathtub with a shower and a toilet. This kind of turned into Hannah's bathroom. And then we kind of always stick to one towel, but there are all these extra provisions in case you run out. Which honestly, for a rental, that's a really, really nice thing to have. I don't think I've seen that before. So this ended up being about $25 each a night, which is crazy great. The convenience of a store downstairs, we could run down there and get sandwiches if we needed to, which Hannah did a couple times. Within probably a quarter of a mile, there's a market down the road and a liquor store. And this is a great location, centrally located in the island, so you can get everywhere pretty quickly, including the airport, which we're about to leave in about 20 minutes.